Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to put your GMC Terrain into neutral. This process is essential for various situations, like towing or car washes. First, always ensure your vehicle is on a level surface for safety. Then, firmly apply the parking brake to prevent any unexpected rolling. Finally, turn your engine on, but keep the transmission in park for now. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and safe operation. Next, let's locate the electronic precision shift buttons, which are typically found on your center console. These buttons control your vehicle's transmission. Before proceeding, it is vital to press and hold the brake pedal firmly with your foot. Maintaining pressure on the brake pedal ensures the vehicle remains stationary and allows the system to register your intent to shift. This step is a key safety measure. Now for the core action. You will need to simultaneously press and hold the N button, which stands for neutral. While still holding the N button, also press and hold the P button, which stands for park. It is important to hold both buttons down together for a minimum of 5 seconds. This specific combination and duration are necessary to engage the neutral mode correctly in your GMC Terrain. After performing the previous step, verify that the N indicator light illuminates on your dashboard, confirming the vehicle is in neutral. You can then release the brake pedal. Remember to only release the parking brake when you are absolutely ready to move the vehicle. Once your task is complete and the vehicle is stationary again, always re-engage the parking brake for safety. This ensures your vehicle remains secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.